Over the years, Joint Military Task Force operating in the South-South region of Nigeria has been actively involved in maintaining security and combating criminal activities.
Shots fired.
Commander of the Joint Task Force overseeing Operation Delta Safe, OPDS, Rear Admiral John Okeke, represented by the Commander, Maritime Component, restated the commitment of OPDS to ensuring safety, curbing criminal activities, and protecting the lives and property in the Niger Delta region.
The mandate is for us to protect oil and gas infrastructure within the Niger Delta area and to curb all other related crimes within the joint operation area.
The commander, while clarifying the military's operation in the regional communal clashes there, had this to say.
Cultism in this area is all about resource control. What do I mean? If a court group, one court group and another court group are fighting, they are fighting for the ownership of a pipeline, most likely. And if you don't address that, it will affect the main reason why OPDS was set up. So, a cultist is a cultist. We don't know who you are.
Commander, Nigerian Navy ship Soro, Captain Lakin, responded to inquiries regarding the inability to convert oil recovered from illegal bunkers for economic reasons.
We are very careful trying to run over with some of the oil companies to see if this product, when recovered, can be converted to useful use. But they said that because the process has been breached, going back to start processing it is not economical. So in order to want to leave this in the hands of these illegal refiners, we have to find a way to do away with the illegal planting. Sometimes we take it outside residential area, close to, and find a way to destroy it.
The OPDS Joint Task Force reiterated its commitment to restoring peace and order in the Niger Delta region.